Hi everybody, hope you're doing well. Well, I'm not doing well. Happy Log4j day to you, everyone. Not been fun. So, um, I've been reading up on all this problems, and I've discovered something that concerns me. And on logingapache.org, and I'll include the link below, under mitigation for version 2.x, it says, note that only the log4j core jar file is impacted by this vulnerability. Applications using only the log4j-API jar file without the log4j-core jar file are not impacted. Is this true? Anyone know? And is this all applications, or is this Apache only related comment? Because I find in many of my server instances the core file does not exist on products that are allegedly vulnerable. So it's a contradiction. And if someone can point me in the right direction to contradict or confirm that, that would be great in the comments below. Thanks everybody, and good luck with this one. I think we're screwed. We're just going to have to uninstall all this stuff, let our servers crash and burn, and then it's going to be good times. That's for sure. Anyway, take care everyone. And Sparky says, don't install Java.